Hello. Today we have two sets, and our job is to describe each one using simple English words. Let's look at them one at a time. Descriptive form just means we use everyday words to tell someone what is inside the set. Instead of math symbols, we use a simple sentence. Let's look at part 5. This has some symbols, so let's read them slowly. The little element of means belongs to, the n means natural numbers, the n means and the is less than or equal to means less than or equal to. Natural numbers are the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. But here, we only want the ones that are 50 or smaller. So we start at 1 and stop at 50. So set E has the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 50. These are just our counting numbers that don't go past 50. Here is our answer for part 5. E is the set of natural numbers less than or equal to 50. Easy peasy. Now let's look at part 6. We can see the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 3 dots mean it keeps going forever. What kind of numbers are these? Look, the set starts at 0 and counts up by 1 each time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and keeps going. These are called whole numbers. Whole numbers are just like natural numbers, but they also have 0. See the difference? Natural numbers start from 1, but whole numbers start from 0. Since our set F starts from 0, it is the set of whole numbers. Here is our answer for part 6. F is the set of whole numbers. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, going on forever. Great job. Here are both answers together. For part 5, we described the counting numbers up to 50. For part 6, we said whole numbers because the set starts at 0 and goes on forever. You did amazing.